What's the meaning of assassination? Assassination. Assassination.
Assassination. Assassination. Assassination refers to the act of deliberately killing someone, usually a prominent or important person, for political or ideological reasons. The result of assassination is typically widespread shock and outrage among the general public, as well as potentially significant political and social upheaval. In addition to the loss of an individual life, the effects of an assassination can ripple through society for years or even decades, destabilizing governments, fueling conflicts, and changing the course of history.